Good morning, dear students. God bless you. Welcome to Max class. Last class, we have discussed the binomial distribution and applications of binomial distribution. In this section, we are going to see about the Poisson distribution and its application. Okay, the exercise 7.2. Sixth question. First 5 questions are your basic definition and properties of Poisson distribution. Okay, the sixth question, the mortality rate for a certain disease is 7 in 1000. What is the probability for just 2 deaths on account of this disease in a group of 400? Given e power minus 2.8 means you directly use the value 0.06. Okay, this is your question. Okay, the solution the Poisson distribution is the Poisson distribution formula already known. P of x comma lambda is equal to e power minus lambda power x divided by x factorial. Okay, this is your Poisson distribution formula. Okay, here we need lambda value. What is the lambda? Lambda means mean value. Okay, so mean equal to lambda. Okay, the lambda is equal to np. This is your formula. Okay, so n here n is equal to the number of peoples, the group of 400. So n and p is equal to the probability of the disease is 7 in 1000. The 7 in 1000 can be right 7 divided by 1000. Okay, 0.007. This is your answer. Okay, before start you fix your calculator 4 decimal places. This is your p answer. So now we get n and p. So find out the lambda. So lambda is equal to, the mean is equal to np. So n value is 400 into p value 0.007. So multiplying in this value into 400. Okay, 400 you get 2.8. Okay, the 2.8. This is your lambda. So now apply the formula p of x comma lambda equal to e power minus lambda is equal to 2.8 into lambda power 2.8 power, so x. Okay, the question is what is the probability for just 2 deaths? Okay, the 2 death is the question. Okay, x is equal to 2 here. Okay, x is equal to 2 divided by 2 factorial. Have you understood? Okay, here also replacing p of x is 2 and lambda is 2.8 equal to e power minus 2.8 value already given in your sum. E power minus 2.8 is equal to 0.06. Okay, applying the value 0.06. This is the value of e power minus 2.8 and 2.8 the whole square. 2.8 multiplying twice we get the answer of 7.84. Okay, 2 times multiplying 2.8 we get this answer. The whole divided by 2 factorial. So 2 factorial can be written in the form of 1 into 2. 1 into 2, what is the answer? Is 2. 1 2 is 2. That's all. Then multiplying the both the numerator value 7.84 into 0.06 we get the answer of 0.4704 divided by 2. Okay, so this value divided by 2 we get 0.2352. Okay, this is your answer. P of probability of 2 death and the mean of 2.8 is this. Okay, that's all the answer. This is the probability for just 2 death on the account of this disease in group of 400 is 0.2352. That's all. I answered the answer. Okay, dear student, next 7th question. It is given that 5% of the electric bulbs manufactured by a company are defective. Using Poisson distribution, find the probability that a sample of 120 bulbs will contain no defective. This is your question. Okay, this is the same manner of the previous question, so this is your homework. Okay, the 7th question is your homework. Okay, so now I explain. It is given that 5% of the electric bulbs manufacture. So the manufacturing bulb is 5%, so P is equal to 5%. The 5% can be written in the form of 5 by 100, which is equal to the 2 decimal places making the 100. So 0.05. Now we get P. Then using the Poisson distribution must be needed the lambda value. So want to find out that. Find the probability that a sample of 120 bulbs, the number of bulbs is 120. So now we get P and N. So what is the lambda formula? Lambda is equal to NP. That means the mean value is NP. So the product of N and P value, we get the mean. Then the question is no defective bulb. What is the probability that no defective bulb? This is your question. So no defective means x is equal to 0. Okay. So P of 0 comma the lambda value. This is only want to find. Okay, have you understood? So this is your homework. Next, 8th question. Okay, this is your 8th question. A car hiring firm has 2 cars. The demand for cars on each day is distributed as a Poisson variate with mean 1.5. Calculate the proportion of days on which neither car is used. The first question. Second question, some demand is refused. Okay, this is your second question. The solution. In this question, we already given the mean value. Okay, the mean is 1.5. So lambda is equal to 1.5. This is directly given in the question. Okay, so here need not the probability of value and n. So lambda now we get. Then the calculate the proportion of the days. The first question, neither car is refused. Okay, the first question, probability of neither car is used. Okay, that means P of x is equal to 0. Okay, neither means no one car is used, no cars. So that means x is equal to 0. What is your Poisson distribution definition? P of x comma lambda is equal to e power minus lambda and lambda power x divided by x factorial. This is your definition. Okay, so applying here lambda and x value. So the P of the x value is 0, the lambda value is 1.5 equal to e power minus lambda value 1.5 into 1.5 power, because lambda power x is 0. Okay, whole divided by x factorial, that is 0 factorial, which is equal to e power minus 1.5. The 1.5 power 0, any number power 0 is 1 divided by 0 factorial is 1. So now we get only e power minus 1.5. Okay, what is the value of e power minus 1.5? That is the probability of 0 comma 1.5. So here taking your scientific calculator. Okay, so taking your scientific calculator. So first press up the shift, then identify the e power x value or in. This is the in button. Okay, so press then we get in this like E. Okay, then press the numbers 1.5 minus 1.5. Okay, sorry, clear? Press up the shift button, then the IN button. Now we get E, then type the numbers minus 1.5. So minus 1.5. Okay, so what do you get? This is 0.2231. Okay, this is your answer, 0.2231. That's all the answer. This is the neither chorus used. Probability of neither chorus used is this 0.2231. Have you understood? Okay. Okay, next question. Some demand is refused. So x value is more than 2. Okay, so this is more than 2 because the frame has only 2 cars. Okay, high ring frame has 2 cars only. Some demand is refused means more than 2 cars. So P of x greater than 2 we want to find out. Okay, okay, the second question, some demand is refused. Okay, so P of x strictly greater than 2. Okay, because of 2 cars only, high ring frame. So now some demand is refused, so more than 2. Suppose in this slide given, what we do? Okay, so P of x greater than more than 2 means, so total probability is 1. So 1 minus P of x less than or equal to 2. Okay, so up to 2 we want to find next. Okay, up to 2 first you find out, then subtract the value from the 1, we get the remaining answer, more than 2 answer. Okay, are you clear? First you find out the up to 2 values, then subtract from the 1, we get the some demand is refused answer. Okay, so which is equal to 1 minus P of x less than or equal to 2. Okay, so the values are P of x is equal to 0 and P of x is equal to 1 plus P of x is equal to 2. So because r equal to given, so up to 2 want to take. Okay, that's all. Then substitute the value P of x is equal to 0 now. Okay, e power lambda, lambda is 1.5. Okay, that means mean lambda power x divided by x factorial. This is our definition. Plus e power 1.5, 1.5 power 1, because now x is 1, so 1 factorial, plus e power 1.5. Okay, so all the 1, e power minus lambda, minus. Okay, so 1.5 power 2 divided by 2 factorial. That's all. Okay, are you clear? So 1 minus, this is a definition. Using the definition we get the answer, e power minus lambda, lambda power x divided by x factorial. So now I am substitute all the lambdas and x values. Okay, so 1 minus e power minus 1.5. So using the calculator we find out. Already I explained how to find the e power of value. First of the shift button and IN button, and minus 1.5, which is equal to 0.2231. This is any number power 0 is 1. Okay, any number power 0 is 1 divided by 0 factorial is 1, plus this is the same 0.2231 because e power minus 1.5 we already find out. Then 1.5 power 1 means the same value divided by 1 factorial is 1, plus the 0.2231 and 1.5 power 2. 1.5 power 2 equal to 2.25. 2.25. Okay, whole divided by 2 factorial is 2. That's all the answer. Okay, next simplification, making the simplification 1 into this value the same 0.2231 plus the 0.2231 into 1.5 equal to 0.3347 plus 0.2231 into 2.25 which is equal to 0.5020 divided by 2. So here 1, so 1 need not be right here. Okay, so 1 minus sum of these two value. Okay, 0.2231 plus 0.3347 equal to 0.5578 plus divided this two value 0.5020 divided by 2 equal to 0.2510. Okay, then sum of the two values plus 0.5578 equal to 0.8088. This value subtracting from 1, we get 0.1912. Okay, this is your answer of the second subdivision. Okay, have you understood? This is the probability of some demand is refused is this. Okay, have you understood? That's all the second subdivision. Okay, dear student, next the ninth question. The average number of phone call per minute into the switchboard of a company between 10 a.m. and 2:30 p.m. is 2.5. The average mention the mean is 2.5 in your question. Then find the probability that during one particular minute there will be no phone call. Okay, the first question. Okay, then find the probability that during one particular minute there will be, the first question, no phone at all. The second one, exactly 3 calls. The third one, at least 5 calls. You have 3 subdivisions. Okay, one by one we solve. Okay, the solution, the average is given. That means lambda is given. Lambda is equal to 2.5. In particular duration, we get the mean value 2.5. Okay, then the Poisson distribution is P of x comma lambda equal to e power minus lambda power x divided by x factorial. This is your definition. From the definition, okay, the first question, the probability of no phone at all. Okay, that means P of x is equal to 0. No phone means the x value is 0. Okay, substitute the formula P of 0 x comma 0 comma 2.5 equal to e power minus lambda value is 2.5 into 2.5 power x is equal to 0 divided by 0 factorial. Okay, which is equal to e power minus 2.5. Already explained. So how to find the e power of value? Shift and in power minus 2.5. This is equal to 0.0821. And any number power 0 is 1 divided by 0 factorial is 1. So which is equal to 0.0821. That's all your answer. Have you understood the first question answer? Okay, and this is the second question. Second question is probability of, okay, exactly 3 calls. Exactly 3 calls means P of x is equal to 3. That's all. Okay, so using the Poisson distribution, P of x is equal to 3 comma lambda is equal to 2.5. Lambda is fixed for every sum. Okay, so P of 3 comma 2.5 e power minus lambda, so minus 2.5 into lambda power x, so 2.5 power x is 3 divided by 3 factorial. Okay, the e power minus 2.5 answer is already known, 0.0821. Okay, 0.0821 and 2.5 power 3. Okay, using the calculator, 2.5 power 3. Want to find, we get 15.625. Okay, 625 whole divided by 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3. 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Okay, then it is equal to product of this two value equal to 0.0821 into the answer is 1.2828 divided by 6. This is equal to this value divided by 6, we get 0.2138. This is the probability of the exactly 3 calls at a time. So 3 comma 2.5. This is the answer of second question. Okay, so next we have a third one. The third one is at least 5 calls. Okay, the third subdivision, probability of at least 5 calls, which is equal to P of x greater than or equal to 5. At least 5 call. That means minimum is 5, so maximum will not be given. So x greater than or equal to 5. So P of x greater than or equal to 5 can be written in the form of 1 minus P of x less than 5. Okay, the total probability is 1. Then subtracting the value of below 5 values, we get the answer of P of x greater than or equal to 5. Okay, which is equal to 1 minus P of x less than 5 means probability of x is equal to 0, the below 5 values, plus probability of x is equal to 1, plus probability of x is equal to 2, plus probability of x is equal to 3, plus probability of x is equal to 4. Okay, that's all. We are strictly less than 5, so below 5 only, up to 4. Okay, so substituting the answer, 1 minus P of x is equal to 0. P of x is equal to 0 means using the formula e power minus lambda. Lambda value is 2.5. Okay, so minus 2.5 to 2.5 power 0 divided by 0 factorial. Okay, then 1 e power minus 2.5, 2.5 power 1 divided by 1 factorial. Okay, divided by 1 factorial, plus e power minus 2.5, 2.5 power 2 divided by 2 factorial, plus e power minus 2.5, 2.5 power 3 divided by 3 factorial, plus e power minus 2.5, the 2.5 power 4 divided by 4 factorial. That's all. Up to 4 want to substitute. Okay, then making the simplification, 1 minus, so e power minus 2.5 having in all the terms, so taken outside e power minus 2.5. Okay, so this is 2.5 power 0 is 1 divided by 0 factorial is 1, plus this is already taken outside, remaining this one, 2.5 power 1 means 2.5 divided by 1 factorial is 1, plus here e power minus 2.5 is already taken outside, so remaining 2.5 power 2. The answer is 6.25 divided by 2 factorial is 2, plus this is already taken outside, so 2.5 power 3, 2.5 power 3 is answer. So this is for 15.625 divided by 3 factorial is 6. Okay, 1 into 2 into 3, plus 2.5 power 4, 2.5 power 4. This is for 39.0625 divided by 4 factorial. This is a 24. Okay, 1 minus e power minus 2.5 answer. This is already known. Okay, the answer is 0.0821 and 1 by 1 is 1, plus 2.5 by 1 is 2.5 plus 6.25 divided by 2. 6.25 divided by 2 equal to 3.125 plus 15.625 divided by 6. Get 2.6042 plus 39.0625 divided by 24, which is equal to 1.6276. Okay, then 1 minus 0.0821, then sum of all the values plus 2.6042 plus 3.125 plus 2.5 plus 1 equal to, we get 10.8568. Okay, then the product of value into 0.0821, which is equal to 1 minus 0.8913. Subtracting from 1, we get 0.1087. Okay, that's all your answer. This is the probability of x greater than or equal to 5, more than 5, at least 5 answers equal to 0.1087. Okay, that's all. So have you understood the answer? Okay. Today's homework, book page numbers 157 and 160, example 7.14 and 7.15, exercise 7.2, question number 7. That's all. Do it well. Thank you. God bless you.